Ladies and gentlemen, people of the world, this is TANFON Solar. My name is Maurice Asunda, coming from Kenya all the way to Fosan City, People's Republic of China. Here is a 2.24 megawatt solar power plant installed actually using 640 watt solar panels. We have a varied number of solar panels and the total capacity is 2.24 megawatt. The type of installation you see here, from the walkways to the panels to the inverters, it is fabulous job which has been done. Working with TANFON Solar, we intend to do a bigger project in other parts of Africa, do proper installation, quality installation. We want to replicate this type of a project in the other parts of Africa, especially in Tanzania, and that's why we have come here to work with the team, TANFON team in People's Republic of China. This type of projects, we want to roll it out in other parts of Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, because we think this is the best and solar is the future. Thank you very much. Follow us. Keep on following us.